Welcome back to LHOV. To live a healthy life at home sometimes means we need to ask for help. That's why I stopped by and had a conversation at Generation Solutions.
We are a home health care agency with a full gamut of services, ranges from personal care in the home, where we offer companions and home health aides, to skilled nursing or Medicare services, where we also offer nursing and therapy, and then medical supplies and just a full gamut of services.
You know, in fact, we're happen to be recording this conversation at GS Medical Supply, Generation Solutions Medical Supply, located on Langhorne Road. You've got your offices, of course, out on 221 in Forest, but you're all over the place because that's what you do. You go to individuals' homes.
Exactly, exactly. And that's the wonderful thing about our services, that we take those services to them. They don't have to come here. We take them to right where they are and provide them care in their homes.
One of the greatest things, of course, about Generation Solutions, there's no place like home. You use red slippers as kind of an icon that there is no place like home. And when you teach, when you train, whether it's personal aides or nurses to go into the home, there's got to be something a little different or unique about the training they go through and the personalities that they carry into those homes.
That's right. That's right. You know, we have to train them so that they are prepared for any situation, because in the homes we can't supervise 24/7 situations that would occur. And so that's why the training is so very important, because it prepares them for anything they may go through.
You know, when we talk about healthy living, one of the things, and I've experienced this observing some of my family members, it's not just the medical care, you know, the nurses that come into the home, wound care, whatever the case may be, but just the fact that somebody's coming into the home and saying, "Hi, how are you? How are you feeling today?"
That's right. And that's a big part of them living and aging well, is to have someone come in and just give them companionship. Sometimes that's all they need. Not so much the care, but just companionship. Someone to say, "Hey, how are you today?" And just to help them with meals, or, you know, just rub their back. Many different small things that we can do to help them.
Now, the kind of training that your employees go through, of course, you have full training programs for CNAs and the aides, correct?
Yes, correct. We have nurse aid or CNA training program, state approved, of course, and a medication aid program also. And we also offer personal care aid classes, which are specifically designed for people who would be looking to work in home health.
One of the things that I like about your training programs is with Generation Solutions, it's not do as I say, not as I do. It's do as I say, because that's what I do.
Exactly, exactly. You know, we really teach them by example, more so than anything. And when we go into this training, you know, we say these are ways that we have taken care of people. And because we're nurses and are in the healthcare profession, we can say that with certainty, that this is the right way to take care of someone.
Your name is unique. It's Generation Solutions. And I think one of the reasons, and I've gotten to explore this a little bit in the past, is as a family member, for example, I'm really concerned about the elderly members of my family. You really do cover and provide comfort to all the family members through giving that care to the one who actually needs the hands-on care.
That's correct. We do feel like we're a solution for all the generations that are a part of it, because just as hard as it is for the senior who we're taking care of, it's just as hard for the family as well, and for those people who feel like they're in the sandwich generation where they're taking care of children and parents. And so we're trying to take care of all of them involved.
What do you think it is, Temika, that makes Generation Solutions so unique and helps to provide such the high quality of care that you do?
I think definitely the fact that we offer training to our employees, which is not a usual thing for home health agencies, but the fact that Generation Solutions is built on a mission of just caring for God's people. What better thing can we do? And so I believe that that's what makes Generation Solutions different, and what makes us stand out as a home health agency, because we truly, truly care about people and taking care of their needs.
Generation Solutions in Lynchburg at 455-6500 and located in Roanoke as well at 540-776-3622. Online, generationsolutions.net.